How can you move photos from the iCloud and save them into the local storage? Let me show you two ways you can approach this. If you are new here or first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you do not miss future videos and tutorials like this one. First of all, upon going to settings and your account at the top, you can go to the iCloud, and in there we can browse all of the things which are taking up the storage, as well as the services which are enabled for iCloud syncing, and the photos should most definitely be visible right away. So just tap on photos, and when you disable sync this iPhone, it's going to ask you what it does to the photos, right? And you will be able to turn it off like this, and you can then decide to keep the photos. So you're not gonna like delete them or anything, but you just stop the iCloud syncing, and the photos should be saved and downloaded to your local storage. On the other hand, the second approach which I would have is that I would instead open up the web browser, ideally Safari for this purpose. And if you go to iCloud.com, you can sign in with your Apple ID and browse your iCloud data and situation online through the web browser. So you can go to the photos within the iCloud web and see all of the pictures you have in there. If you don't have too many of them, you can even select them and download them manually to your phone, right? So you can select a few and just download them to your local storage, and you can see specifically which photos you are selecting. And if this is especially useful if you only need a select few photos. So if you don't want like a blanket approach but selected images, then you can use this method and save pictures like that. So I hope it helps. If there are some thoughts you might still be having about this, let me know below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will hopefully see you later in the future uploads.